full-time budget travelers who spent 3 weeks volunteering at an organic farming community in the hills of Austria.
This opportunity was all thanks to an amazing program called Workaway, where you can get free food and lodging in amazing places all around the world in exchange for just 25 hours of work a week.
After this video, check out part 1 to see all the cozy harvest season farm work we did. If you can even call it work.
But this video is all about the activities and adventures we got up to when we weren't pretending to be experienced agriculturalists. So come with us.
Our trip began with a flight to Austria.
We spent a few days exploring Vienna before taking a train to the charming rural town of Eberndorf, and finally landing at a magical place called Hart 7.
Once we settled in, we found the daily rhythm was super chill. Choose your own days off, sleep in, enjoy slow coffee and toast, do 3 to 5 hours of work, then share a communal lunch.
That's nice.
And then the rest of the time was yours. But instead of telling you, how about we just show you? Which way? Playing on the silks. Do something?
Oh gosh, I don't know if I have the energy.
Nice. Cute twist to be seen a little bit.
How do you expect me to do that?
There, like that.
Oh god, she's out of shape. Nope.
We're just a little out of shape. Traveling full-time is not really... She used to be a beautiful silk artist.
She's talking about that was the most beautiful thing you've ever seen.
No, you're still beautiful, just not a silk artist. There you go.
Gotta get the other side though. It's gonna really annoy me to not.
The kitchen inside is great, but sometimes we just want to be alone for dinner, so we went to the store and got some store-bought food. It's kind of a shame to cook it in that beautiful kitchen inside, so we are shamefully cooking our tortellini outside in the summer kitchen on October 1st, which is great. The sunset tonight was gorgeous. So, let's do it. It's two lines of gong.
There's a grun. Yeah.
Grunstuksfernkergen Megonsvugustand. Do you have to do it all in one breath? Okay, I gotta take a bigger breath. Grunstuksfernkersgen Heimnongens Standig Kitesubertragungsverdrongdong Nung. Classic. I'm making my bread.
Es ist schon die Pilze sammeln. Immer mal wieder mit den Kindern. Ist das normaler?
So today we're going on an exciting adventure to hopefully a waterfall on a lake. Trying to figure out this basket.
That's perfect.
Great. So we've got our choice of bikes. A lot of them are either missing a chain or have a flat tire or like they're just the wrong size for us. But I think we found 2 bikes that will work. It's about an hour-long bike ride, ? And it might rain today, so... Lesson learned. If there's a chance of rain and you have a crappy bike, don't ride 23 miles. So we're hoping to have a good time at a waterfall and do a cold plunge. We'll see how it goes. Woo! This bike is not great, but so far so good. The mountain views are awesome. I have had 3 gnats fly into my eyeball and they get caught in my leg hair. Other than that, it's a beautiful ride. Well, our first big roadblock. We just went down this huge hill just to find that there is a bridge under construction and there's no way across. So we have to turn way back and go way out of our way. We can't even ford the river. It's an intense river to try to ford. We don't even know that if once we got across, if this road would be passable or not. It sucks. Oh, the beautiful dead sunflowers. We're back on track. Google Maps has rerouted us. You can't be upset for too long about the gnats or the downed bridge when you have this as your view.
This is all right. This is pretty okay.
Yeah.
This is pretty nice.
This is pretty.
Pretty.
Oh, there it is. It's up there. There it is. Europe's highest free-falling waterfall. We had to walk our bikes the rest of the way up this hill because I think mine is starting to get a flat tire and we're both pretty exhausted. It was a long 1.5 hour bike ride. We did it. There she is. That is stunning. Well, we had our little picnic and now we are wet. But that's okay because we're gonna get more wet because we're gonna go for a cold plunge. Okay, Kat is unsure that she wants to do the swim anymore because she does not like being wet, but I'm gonna do it. I found this towel. That's kind of convenient. It doesn't smell very clean, but it was hanging on a thingy, so I got it. Kind of intimidating under the waterfall. Woo! I don't love all these loose rocks. Makes me a little nervous about what's overhead. But over here, it's not as bad. I actually texted Kat that she should come over here and sit, watch me swim, because it's actually dry under the overhang. It's nice, huh? It's gonna get even drier and warmer, and then you can watch me swim.
He's kind of moving like a hobbit that's about to go on an adventure. Austrian Tarzan. And now it's Gollum. Are you having fun?
Yeah. What's crazy is any panic I feel is about rocks falling on my head.
Huh.
How intimidating the water is as it crashes down. The cold was, you know, I've done cold plunges before, so it raises your heart rate. I was just fighting panic about like things hitting my head. All these loose rocks are just years and years and years of pebbles falling, but that doesn't mean one's gonna fall on my head the one time I go swimming. So just trying to like calm that part of my brain. And also my lips are numb, so I'm having a hard time talking. But I feel warm, I feel fine. My whole body is a little bit numb. I think I might go back in. Okay, so we walked back down the trail in the rain. Whoa, look at that. Buddy, no, where'd you go? You are beautiful. And now Kat is in the restroom, and I'm gonna repack our little bag here to prevent anything from getting destroyed in the rain, because we're definitely gonna have to bike back in the rain. We're a little chilly, but we found a perfect spot under this little bathroom shelter. It's right at the bottom of the trail to the waterfall. That was a pleasant experience. Made the bike ride here totally worth it. Oh, we did it. How do you feel?
Wet.
So wet.
Very, very wet.
And we stopped at the store and got pizzas and whiskey. We're going to have hot toddies and a movie night, and we're not gonna work because we are exhausted.
And wet.
And wet. And sniffly. So, gonna take a warm shower. And thanks for watching. So we've got 5 days left here at Hart 7, and we haven't had a whole lot of days, like full days off. So we're gonna try and get another 2 days off at some point to just explore the area a little bit more. And at some point we wanna climb to the top of this mountain. So we're hoping to be able to do that before we leave. The kitty cat. Hi, what's his name? Schnookums? Schnutz. I said Schnookums. So today we are going on a hiking to the top of the mountain, and we are leaving now. It's like 12:30 already. We've got our bag packed with a picnic, and apparently it's a church on the top of the mountain, and there's like a natural spring that's supposed to be healing, and it's supposed to be very good for your eyes. You're supposed to wash your eyes 3 times in the healing fountain.
If it's cold, I probably won't.
Yeah, you will.
And supposedly, we're gonna pass a cow pasture, but if there's cows, you definitely shouldn't go through the pasture because apparently Austrian cows like to kill people here. So, not gonna do that. Don't have a death wish today. But we're just kind of going and seeing how it goes. We don't know a whole lot.
All right, we're going up to the top of that little hill. I don't know if I'd even call it a mountain. See the little steeple?
Yeah, it's like hard to distinguish it from the pines.
So it's a pretty easy hike. It'll be fun. Okay, so he said when we get to the bridge, go up the trail to the left.
Quite overgrown.
This is the trail to the left, and he said it was up, up, up.
Ooh, watch out for some nettle.
Yeah, there's some stinging nettle, which is a weed here that is pretty beneficial actually, but it does sting if you touch it. The trail has continued to go up at a steep pace, and we're right next to a cow field. The instructions explicitly said to go through the cow field, and we do not want to go in the cow field. So we're currently trying to circumnavigate the cow field. There's the cow. Moo.
Hey, Kyle, no.
What?
Do not make the angry cows angry.
I was just trying to get his attention for the camera.
That's like howling for a werewolf.
Okay, we're headed in the right direction now. We were concerned that we were heading off the trail for a minute, but oh, I guess we need to go up there. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but this is a gully, like a very steep. Are you happy?
I did not enjoy that.
We found a road though, and it's an 18-minute walk to the church.
I will enjoy this much more than the brambles.
We had to make our way through some really thick brushes. I forgot to film because it was not fun.
The trees look like Q-tips.
You're right, the Q-tips of the giants. We just came upon a little archery field with different kinds of targets.
Pigs out there?
Yeah, pigs, and there's dragons, and
Turkey.
so it looks like it's an honor code system, and you bring your own bow and arrows, and those are just like extra broken ones. And then you just put your money in that metal box, and
It's like a national park thing.
yeah, that's really cool. That's pretty neat.
That's pretty neat.
We're almost there.
Which way?
Archaeological site. So we're going to the Church of Saint Hemma, and then the Cave of Rosalia. That's where the water is. There's
that's
also a
there.
museum, which I wonder if that's open today.
It's a Saturday.
We made it to the top of the hill. Oh, there's the church. Wow, and this tree is ancient as well. It's got some rope holding it together.
That's crazy.
Okay, so it looks like the grotto is down through that trail.
Oh, I see. Look, you can go in the tree.
What?
That's magic.
Yeah, this feels very like magical up here. And there's an archaeological site over here next to the church.
Do you think that there's elves in there making cookies?
Probably. And they ship them to America and add preservatives. Wow, look at these mountains. This was worth it. As Miley Cyrus would say.
It's the fly.
Indubitably. And what is this thing? You want your sandwich? We'll explore, figure out what these are later.
Have more fun if I'm fed.
Yeah, me too. This is what you like about how they make bread?
Is that it kind of becomes a catch-all for any like leftover grains or like rice or things like that, and they somehow all incorporate it into the loaves. So like truly it's nothing gets wasted.
Wow. After lunch, I made Kat a little wildflower bouquet. She's Marco Poloing her mom. There's so many beautiful flowers that still bloom on October 3rd. Yeah, we've had 2 hard frosts already. This is beautiful. I want to explore these ruins. Apparently they're from 400 AD, and it was a pilgrimage site for early Roman Catholics. They like made a little village up here. So, pause to read. You like your bouquet?
I do.
It looks really good on you.
Very green flag of you, husband.
I'm a good husband. Okay, let's go walk around and look at things. So we found the baptistry. They've definitely recreated this since the 400s. So yeah,
5'10".
if you guys want to translate that, feel free, but my fingers are way too cold to be doing that. There's a lot of plaques and none of them are in English except for that big one over there. I just want to see what's down this steps. One more little area. They're all kind of shaped the same. It's like a rectangle with an entrance on one side and like a little bulb on the other. Something that travel has definitely shown me is how little I know. And how at some point you just kind of give up trying to
know it.
to know everything. I mean, this is really cool, but we're too cold to like have a whole history lesson about it. And then there's these graves everywhere. They were the privileged folk who got to be buried near. Apparently there's a martyr from the Mediterranean buried here. Yeah, another buried person there. And apparently these floors were all covered in mosaics. There's just so much that we don't know. Are you cold?
Yes.
Well, the door to the church is locked, but there's this little window that you can kind of see through.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. So the church was definitely locked. So we're gonna go try and find the
Magic spring.
magic spring now. We're going down this dark, spooky path.
You really get a sense of why Austria is the homeland of all these fairy tales if you play in the woods.
Yeah. Even the church looks a little bit spooky. Is this it?
Is what it?
Like, are we here?
I don't see a spring.
What? Is there a way down?
I see a staircase that's way down.
Whoa. Maybe we're looking at it from above and we need to keep going down.
Like,
Oh, yep. I see a trail down there.
Crazy.
But this view, what the even heck? Yeah, I don't know that this camera is doing this view justice. Like, you can see mountains so far away.
Crazy how we can hear that tractor down there.
Do you see it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, that's the tractor we hear.
It kind of feels honestly a little New England-y. Feels New Hampshire, Maine, Massachusetts.
Yeah, you're right. It's giving. Let's go down to Hagrid's hut.
I hear it.
I hear it too. Listen. That's it. There's the grotto. Just kidding. That's the grotto. Oh my word, that's so pretty. Are you gonna wash your eyes in it? I will. Now I'm wondering if this is also drinkable. There's like you're just supposed to wash your eyes. Wow, it's a good place to test if your eyesight gets better. So you've got nearsightedness and farsightedness. If you want to test either one. Okay, you ready? Oh, it's actually not that cold.
Really?
It's like the temperature that would come out of your sink.
Interesting.
I can see!
Whoa!
You should try, because you do have that thing where you see double sometimes.
Yeah, that's true. That is very cold, sir.
Really? But you do cold plunges.
I don't think I went to put my face in.
Wash your eyes. Wash your eyes. Do it for the vlog.
That is so cold. You are a big fat liar.
1, 2, 3. And she's healed.
And wet.
What is it called? You have convergence
Insufficiency.
insufficiency. Basically, if her eyes are tired, she sees double.
And then they just go both straight ahead, so I'll see double and everything.
She has double lazy eye.
It's not a lazy eye.
We're not sure if this spring is drinkable, so I'm gonna pour out the rest of my water bottle and fill it up. And then when we get back, we will ask our friends at Hart 7. I bet we could also Google it, but she left her bouquet as a thank you for healing her convergence insufficiency. Rosalia Grata.
It's like a shrine. Oh.
Oh, as you can tell, we are not Roman Catholic. It is a little bit creepy.
It's kind of giving Juliet.
You're right.
Oh, is that supposed to be Mary?
I think it's supposed to be Rosaline.
No.
Rosalind? Someone? But there's where we were looking in. Should I ring the bell?
No. Just in case it means something. It's really beautiful. Like, I want more context. I'm a little confused, but it's still quite pretty.
All right, I know that you're cold, so you ready to head back?
Let's head back.
And now it's a 4-mile hike back if we don't want to go through the bushes that we went through earlier. We're down at the bottom of the mountain.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, that was a long downhill walk. Now we've got still an hour to walk back to Hart 7. We're probably just gonna watch Bake Off.
Thousands applied.
Or maybe we'll watch Wednesday on the big screen tonight.
Oh.
We're doing it.
Movie night.
Who knows? But it's a beautiful walk.
You like my tail flaps?
There's the tractor that we saw from above. Okay, we're leaving this morning, packing up all of our bags, leaving Hart 7, saying goodbye to our nice cozy little room with the fire that we would light. Oh, time to add another log. Ooh, smoky. Quick.
It's probably good. I don't want to burn through the wood.
I think that's what it's meant to do. And the desk where we did all of our work, and the really pretty overlook. I'm gonna miss it here.
It's been a good stay.